Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another MLittleProgramming tutorial. In today's video, we will be looking at what unit tests are, where unit tests fit into the testing process, and the benefits of unit testing. So, what is a unit test? A unit test checks whether individual components in a system are performing as we expect them to. The components we will be looking at in this video are functions. Unit tests usually have an input into the component we are testing, and an expectation of what we expect the output to be. There are four types of testing: integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, and unit testing. Unit testing is the first level of software testing and is performed before integration testing. So why would we use unit testing? Unit testing increases confidence in changing code. If good unit tests are written and run by developers when code is changed, we can easily see any functionality regression due to the change we are making as developers. Unit testing forces code to be written in a modular way. Modular coding tends to make code easier to reuse, and reusable code is more efficient. Unit testing makes the cost of fixing problems cheaper. If we change the functionality of our program and find the change has caused the test to fail, then we can easily make a change. However, if we don't catch the error through our testing phases and it gets to live, potentially you can see how that may cost a company a lot of money to fix and a few angry customers. Now on to a few tips for when you're writing unit tests. The first is that you want to use test data that is close to what occurs in production. For example, if you have a function that takes string as an input, if in the running of the system that function takes strings that always contain underscores, in your test, you want to be testing for strings that contain underscores, not just single word strings like hello. Secondly, use a version control system like GitHub so that you can track your tests over time. This is so that if a bug reaches your live system, you can see how your tests may have regressed over time and allowed the bug to pass through. Finally, run your unit tests frequently to make sure no errors are occurring. The more frequently you run your tests, the more opportunity they have to catch errors.